Today we have ticket number 13181 and it's a faulty PlayStation 5 that doesn't have any power. A customer says that every so often when you press the power button when it's connected, it will just beep and you don't get any lights or anything. Nothing else happens after that. No more beeps, nothing. Disconnect and reconnect, push the button, beep, but nothing. And today, the best hoodie in the world, don't tell Sean, he's going to find out anyway because he watches the videos and then does the thumbnails, etc. But what's he going to do? He's not here. He's not here. This will be an actual test to make sure that he does actually watch the videos. The board we have is a 020, so the second revision of PS5 boards. And the customer actually revealed this is the second PlayStation 5 that he's had. The first one broke under warranty, he got it replaced. And this one broke, I think he said like November 2021. So coming up 2 years. And now this one has also gone bust. And today our job is to try and work out why that is. So I've got the board on the bench. Let's head over to the scope and see. I've had one of these before and it actually related to the Wi-Fi IC. Not even the whole Wi-Fi IC, quite literally just a capacitor underneath the Wi-Fi IC. I'm hedging my bets here. I'm going to give these a test, but I don't know, obviously. We actually have a short. We have a short on this cap here. Do you have a short on any other? Okay, so we have a short on this cap as well. No short. We have a short there. We have a short here. Short here. Short here as well. Okay, so, wow. That was really, really lucky. This is either going to be one of these caps or it might be the actual whole Wi-Fi IC itself. Sometimes when this goes, it can affect other areas of the board. So quickly, a fuse check just to make sure we are all okay. Fine there. We're okay there. F7003, fine. 502. All good. I think these fuses are going to be fine because they're not on the same rail as the Wi-Fi IC. Yeah, all good. Just finally F7001. All good as well. I can't believe how lucky we were to find that short. Now, the next thing is to inject voltage at our shorted area and see if anything gets hot, if it's a cap in particular, or again, whether it might be the IC on the back or front, I guess, depending on what way you look at it. So we're going to go with 0.5 volts. Nothing extreme, just a little bit. It's a dead short to ground. We have no resistance where the short is. And here we go. So we had a short in a few areas. There it is, right there. And it's a cap. Look at that. Yeah, right here, this one. It doesn't actually look bad, does it, at all? In the event of that not actually working, I'm going to zoom in and show you the effect of isopropyl alcohol being able to detect our short. So here we go, in 3, 2, 1. You can see that that IPA is evaporating almost instantly. Or maybe, let's put that on. That might be a bit better. Can you see? As soon as a bit of liquid goes on, it just evaporates. There we go. Nice. So how do we deal with said cap? We smash it with a little bit of heat and take it off the board completely. Hot air is maxed out here, 500 degrees Celsius with an airflow speed of 120. I've had this a few times now where you get a one beep and nothing else. And it can be the Wi-Fi IC. And nice for the customer as well because it doesn't end up being too expensive because all we need to do is replace this cap, which is pulled from a donor board. And it was a nice quick job. I'm saying this, I don't know if this is 100% going to be the issue, but I'm confident I have the culprit right here. And I've got my multimeter in continuity mode. Ow, just stabbed myself. And if I measure, yeah, we have a short. So you probably can't hear it, but the multimeter is beeping, which means that this guy is about to get flicked. Before I get a bit too ahead of myself, let's check that we definitely don't have a short here now on any of those caps either. Yep, so no short here. And the shorts we had before are gone. So that's really good news. Now we just need to replace this cap. Bit of flux. Little bit of leaded solder. And bring on the cap. And just place that cap on the board. When the solder melts, obviously. There we go. Cam off. And float it into place. There we go. Perfect. It will clean with a cotton swab. I have tested this cap, by the way, on the other board, and it's absolutely fine. Crazy that this little cap was stopping this whole PlayStation 5 from not turning on. And the thing is, some people will just pay like the £400-500, however much you can get a PlayStation 5 for now, to just get a new PS5. I think spreading the message of repair and us being able to fix it and give the warranty that we give, which is 6 months, especially at this current moment in time where people are really struggling in the world in general. You're getting the repair done for a fraction of the price with the warranty. Doubly bubbly check that we don't have a short, which we don't. All good. Yeah, absolutely fine. So now I can give this PlayStation 5 a test just to make sure that it definitely works. Here we go, momentous of truth. Do we get power? Yes, we do. We get lights as well. Not going to turn off. We don't have a fan attached, but I turn it off almost instantly. And there we go. We have a display. Would you look at that? And that is going to be another happy customer. Probably not the longest of videos. On this occasion, I found that short quite quickly. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.